And this is Wild Badger Power. This is the 4-in-1 tool. Super awesome. Thanks a lot to Wild Badger Power for sending this out to review. But you've got your engine, you got the attachment. But what's great about this is that it not only comes with the weed whip attachment, you can also put on these other attachments. So you've got the hedge trimmers, saw blade, or a limb tool. Put some oil right in there. You've got a regular saw blade. Comes with another attachment for taking out like small shrubs and things, so that will go right in the end there. And then you've got the harness attachment so that you don't have to hold the thing with your hand. It can just go over your shoulder, so it's like a shoulder strap. Instruction manual, all the tools you need. Very easy to swap out. Hedge trimmer. So let's just pull this off here so you can actually see this is a cover. So you got hedge trimmers made of really high quality steel. Is that these are adjustable so they can pivot and up and down, as well as the pole saw too. You can adjust that. So let's try this thing out. I've already tested it out pretty good, and it works awesome and fires up very easily. It's very easy to start. Let's see if we can get it on one pull. And then the kill switch is very easy to operate. Just push it down until it's off. Now when you get it, the tank will be empty. You just need to fill it up with gas. You got your start and your run button here. You've also got your priming bulb underneath. You got your recoil here, and that's pretty much it. All you have to do is attach the handle and start attaching your attachments. Let's get using this thing. So we're going to test the weed whip down here in some of this long grass, but I've also got some other shrubs and small saplings that need to be cut with the other attachment. Here's some long grass. Let's swath a path right through this just so you can see the weed whip attachment. Yeah, that works awesome. And if you ever need more string, you just press this button in and pull the string out, or you can even tap it on the ground. Yep, the weed whip works perfect. All right, let's try a different attachment. Okay, let's put this attachment on for some small saplings. Very easy to swap this out. I'm gonna stick this Allen wrench in this hole right here and just turn this off. Then we'll put this on here, put the ring on the bottom, use our wrench to tighten it up. And we are ready to cut some shrubs. And here I've got a sapling that has grown up. Way easier than a pruner. All right, let's try out the hedge trimmers. Just detach this section here. Now we'll add this to the end here. And like I said before, what's cool is that this is adjustable. You just squeeze this right here and you can go a full 90 degrees. So you could actually be vertical like this on the ground. So that's a great feature. So super easy to trim up the side of some trees or bushes. Now the last attachment is going to be the pole saw. Before we use this, we want to add in some bar oil. Make sure you always check this level to make sure that your chain and bar will run efficiently. Then we'll just slide this attachment in and we're ready to go. And again, what's great about this is that this is adjustable for this blade to go whatever direction you want it to. and you can reach a long way. Now what's also great is it comes with this harness with the pad here, and very easy to connect. And what it's going to do is going to take off some weight from having to hold this all the time. So it takes off weight, you can trim around, and if you want to do a release, you just pull on this red tag here, and it releases, and then you can go freely away. Put it back on, you just slide that through there, and there we go. But again, this Wild Badger is awesome. The 4-in-1 tool is great. I'm going to go cut some more saplings because this thing is awesome and just what I need. So if you're looking for a great product to hit all your needs, from saplings to pole saw to shrubs to a weed whip, this is it, the Wild Badger. This is awesome, the 4-in-1 tool. Thanks again to Wild Badger for sending this out to review. Highly recommend, definitely pick up one of these.